Installing Oracle Client software. Essentially, I've downloaded the zip file and decompressed it into this directory, and here is my setup file. Now this is a long and slow process, so I'm going to allow for gaps and press the pause button every now and again. So if the mouse suddenly jumps across the screen, that's why. But it does take quite a while to install the software, and you don't want to watch a video doing nothing for 30 minutes. So I'm going to open the setup file, and it brings up this window to start with. And here's the window that comes up. You can install various forms of the Oracle client. I prefer to stick with Administrator. It installs most of the default stuff. You can take the other options if you want. You can pick Custom, but I've been using Oracle for 15 years and even I don't know what all the options in there mean exactly. I'm going to click the Next button. I've got an option of multitude of different types of languages. I speak English. Whatever you speak, you can pick. Again, I click the Next button. It gives me a directory to install the Oracle software. This is called the Oracle Base Directory, and this is generally the Oracle Installation Directory. You'll learn more about that later. I'm clicking the Next button again. And it does the installation process. This is the next screen, and it's telling me basically how much disk space I've got available, how much it needs, and you just follow the process through. It's pretty easy. Click the Finish button, and it will start the installation process. And it will take a long time to run, so we're going to pause at this stage and pick it up towards the tail end. And at the end of the installation process, this is what you get. The installation of the Oracle client was successful, and you can click the Close button to terminate the installation. And if we go down to the Start menu, into Programs, at the end we should see an Oracle client installation.